If you are looking for great kettles, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like, just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, by Teabox. Now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price. Number 2, by Prestige. This Amazon Prime offer is one of our editor best choices. Number 3, by Pigeon by Stovekraft. Shop for Amazon Prime great offers. Number 4, by Kitchoff. Available now on Amazon. Number 5, by Pigeon by Stovekraft. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 6, by Prestige. Prime Day 2018 now live. Click this banner below, get yours. Number 7, by Pigeon. Our editor choice. Number 8, by Kitchoff. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 9, by Unique Gadget. Get these great online deals now. Click this link for real-time deals and updates. Number 10, by Philips. Amazing Prime Day deal.